Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Excel Academy. This is the second video of the same topic, labor cost. If you all haven't seen the first video, please click on the link given in the description below. You can see that and get back to the second video, which will give you a flow of the whole chapter. Today we will discuss about labor remuneration system, the incentive scheme under labor remuneration system. Let us know why an organization pays incentive to its employees. That is, to get more production from the employees at the same given time. More production will not only help the organization but also the workers of the organization. That is, the workers will get extra payment or bonus or incentive for the extra production done by them. And the organization will benefit by reduction in per unit labor cost and factory cost. Let us see an example for the same theory. You can see the data is given for 10,000 units and 12,000 units. The difference will be if the employees work efficiently and increase the production for the same amount of expenses and in the same given time. If they increase the production from 10,000 units to 12,000 units, what will be the difference for the organization? Here you all can see the direct material cost will be reduced from 10 to 8.33 if the production increases from 10,000 to 12,000 units. That is 1 lakh divided by 10,000 will give you rupees 10 per unit, and 1 lakh divided by 12,000 units will give you rupees 8.33 per unit. Likewise, direct labor will reduce from 5 to 4.17. and prime cost, that is factory cost, will reduce from 15 to 12.5. Now the total cost for the organization for the same product will be 20 for 10,000 units and 16.67 for 12,000 units. So we can clearly make out there's a huge difference in the organization if the workers work more efficiently and produce more in the same given time. Now let us see how will it benefit employees. The employees will be paid an incentive for the extra production, and the incentives are paid using different schemes by different organizations, whichever scheme will be suitable for them. Different schemes or methods to calculate wages and incentive for the employees are Differential PA System, Premium Bonus Scheme, Group Bonus Scheme, and bonus scheme for indirect workers. Under differential piece rate system, there are two methods: Taylor's differential piece rate and Marik's differential piece rate. Under premium bonus scheme, there are 5 methods: Emerson's or empiric efficiency system, Hal Say Plan, Hal Say Plan, Rowan's plan, and Bath scheme. Please note that we will be discussing only few of the methods of incentive scheme, only keeping the exam point of view in mind. If you all require anything more than this or other methods to be explained, please leave a comment in the description below the description, and we will get back to you soon. What is differential piece rate system? Under differential piece rate system, there are 2 methods, as I told you earlier. We will be discussing first about Taylor's differential piece rate system. In Taylor's differential piece rate system, no minimum wages are guaranteed to the workers. It is only based on their efficiency. The slow workers will be penalized, and those who work efficiently will be rewarded. Now, how do they get wages paid? The wages are calculated on 2 different rates, that is lower rate and higher rate. This lower rate and higher rate is calculated on the basis of standards set by the organization. If the efficiency level of the employee attains the standard set, he will get paid on the higher rate basis, and if the employee doesn't attain the standard set by the organization, he will be paid on a lower rate basis. Now what is this lower rate base? Lower rate is based on 83% of the day wage rate. That is, the standard set by the organization will be checked if the employee attains it or not. If he does not attain, the wages paid to him will be just 83% of the day wage rate, and higher rate will be 125% plus 50% bonus or incentive. Now let us see an example for the same. If the wage rate of per day or per unit set by the organization is 0.5 per unit, if the employee does not attain the minimum standard, the lower rate will be 0.5 into 83%, that will give you 0.415 per unit. If he produces 10,000 units, this 0.415 will be multiplied to that 10,000 units. And the higher rate, that is if the employee attains the standard, he will be paid a higher rate, that will be 125% into 0.5 plus 50% into 0.5. That 50% is obviously incentive or bonus. That will get us 0.875 per unit. So if he produces 10,000 or 20,000 units, that will be multiplied to 0.875, and that will give you the wages for that worker. Now let us discuss Marik's differential piece rate system. It is also known as multiple piece rate system. This method is a modification of Taylor's differential system, piece rate system. It does not guarantee time rate, but each one is paid according to the efficiency. The performance below standard is not penalized in this method. Now, how are the wages paid to the employees under Marik's differential piece rate? That is dependent on the efficiency level. If the efficiency of the employee will be up to 83%, he will be paid a normal rate. If the efficiency level is 83.100%, he will get 110% of the normal rate, and if it is above 100%, he will get 120% of. Now, what is premium bonus plan? Apart from minimum wages that is guaranteed by the organization, the efficient workers will get a bonus of depending on the time saved by the employee. The standard is defined scientifically under this method. Let us discuss Emerson's empiric efficiency system under premium bonus scheme. Wages will be paid according to the efficiency level. If the efficiency level of the employee is 66.67%, the piece rate will be guaranteed time rate by the organization. If the efficiency level is 90%, it will be regular time rate plus a 10% bonus. If the efficiency level is 100%, time rate plus 20% of bonus. And if it is above 100%, time rate plus 20% of bonus, and an additional bonus of 1% for every increase of 1% beyond 100% efficiency. Now, what do you understand by this? If the efficiency of the laborer is 115%, 15% is above 100%. So, for 1% of every 15% will be paid as bonus to them or like incentive. How do we calculate efficiency percentage? The formula is standard time for all the jobs that has been set by the organization divided by time taken for doing all the jobs by the employee into 100. Now, what is Hal Say Plan? In Hal Say Plan, the bonus will be 50% of standard time saved. That is, the wages will be paid according to the standard time saved. The formula is time taken into hourly rate plus half, that is 50%, into time saved into hourly rate. This half into time saved into hourly rate is the bonus given to the employee. Hal Say Wires plan is as same as Hal Say Plan. The difference is the bonus will be replaced from 50% to 33.33%. The formula for calculating wages is time taken into hourly rate plus 33.33% into time saved into hourly rate. We will solve problems on all the formulas in the next video. formula for row 1 plan will be total wages will be calculated on the basis of time taken into hourly rate plus time saved divided by standard time into time taken into hourly rate. So the bonus paid to the employee will be time saved divided by standard time into time taken into hourly rate. The formula for Bath scheme will be total wages will be hourly rate into square root of time taken into time standard time. The Bath scheme does not guarantee any wages to the employees. Please wait for our next video. We will be solving problems on all these formulas, and subscribe to our channel Excel Academy. Thank you.